Good day, everyone. Learn how to download and install DirectX 12 in Windows 10 or Windows 10 or 11 computer. Though you don't typically download and install DirectX 12 separately on Windows 10 because it is built in, and with the Windows update, it gets downloaded and installed. You can check it, and I'll show you where to check it. So just do a right click in the start icon, go to run and type DXDIAG. If it's DirectX 11, we can download and install, but we will firstly check. So I have clicked on that, and here we go. We can see the DirectX 12 version, and by any chance if you have DirectX 11, then I would recommend to open the browser and type DirectX and hit enter. You will find DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. So to install the DirectX 12, you need to select the language first and then just click on download, and it will check the system environment and it will install it for you. So here it says End user installs a number of runtime libraries. We will just click on download, and then you need to run this dxweb.exe, and we just need to accept the agreement. Click on next, and it will also ask you to install the Bing bar. You can uncheck that. If you wish, you can select that, and then you can simply click on that and it will install it for you. So this is how you can download and install DirectX 12, the latest version, on your computer. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.